We're talking about one of Kashy's favorite things today. Kashy, can you show them? I know. Can you show them your tablet, Papa? Show them your tablet. Whoa, Kashy got a tablet. Who is this on the tablet? Tell them who this is. Who is this? It's Elmo's World. Who else is on the tablet? Daniel Tiger, the pony, Pete and the cat, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. We're super excited. This is the Fire 7th Edition Kids tablet. I know, I'm excited. Go ahead and unbox your tablet, Kashy. Let's see what's inside. This is for ages 3+. It's an Amazon Fire, but I believe that we made this purchase at Target. So there is a small tablet here. Show them the tablet. It has 16 gigabytes. Can you show your tablet? Say tablet. This is Kashy's tablet. It did come with a blue protective case, and it also has this very cool stand on the bottom. Kashy, show them the stand. Wow. I know. Elmo. Okay, Kashy, can you turn on your tablet? How do you turn it on?
I will show.
Turn it on. Look, Kashy's tablet came on. So it tells you here the date, the time, what percent you're at. We're at 92%. And if you click the small icon, it says Kashy's because it's Kashy's tablet. So we're gonna go ahead and swipe up to unlock. As you can see, it has Kashy's name in the center. It does have downloads, apps, books, movies, and TV. It also has websites, web videos, and Audible. So you're probably worried about if you can take this on your car to keep your kid occupied during a long drive. And you totally can. I know, Kashy. You can connect to your Wi-Fi on your phone, or if you have a car that allows you to get Wi-Fi inside of the car through the antenna, that would be great as well, like OnStar, for instance. Kashy, do you want to play a movie?
Yes.
Can you play a movie? Kashy's 1 year old. The tablet is for 3 years and older, but he does know how to operate it pretty well. As you can see, he just started to play a movie. Kashy, what movie? We're watching Baby Bear, Triangle Lover of the Day. Sesame Street Season 38, Episode 4. Kashy, show your friends. Wow, Kashy, good job, Papa. Give me a 5. Good job. So, I rate the tablet a 5 out of 5 for education. I definitely rate it a 5 out of 5 for fun. I overall rate the tablet a 5 out of 5 because it definitely keeps Kashy occupied. He can watch his favorite shows. He can play learning games. And he really loves it. What do you want to say about the tablet? Is it great? Do you like it? Sunny days. Can you sing? Say friends. I give it a 5. Say 5. Can you show 5? 5 fingers? 5. So friends, this is the box that it came in. And if you open your box at the very bottom of the inside, it also has a charger. I'm really good at throwing away small pieces and stuff like this, so I just say check all your boxes, all the compartments, because I would not even look for a charger until I knew that I needed it, and the garbage would probably be somewhere at the dump by then. So it did come with an Amazon charger. It has a rechargeable battery in the back as well as a built-in stand. He's a man. And then there's also a little cord, a USB cord that goes in there. Can you say bye, friends? Bye, friends. Can you tell me how to get home? Yay!
Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.